The fictional pirates of popular culture are mostly those modeled after real pirates. Now let's turn our attention briefly to a few matters of terminology before we move on. First off, what do we mean when we say someone is a pirate? Well, someone who robs and plunders the sea, obviously. But it's actually not as simple as it sounds. For the Spanish, of course, all foreign ships that were to steal its acquired gold and other goods from the natives were considered sea robbers and hence pirates. But it was mostly the case that these sea robbers, who originally claimed no country or allegiance, were given a license by other competing countries to go on attacking the Spanish.
Hey y'all, welcome to the lab. We are back with some more exclusive content. I've been away for the last couple of weeks and came into a massive Clink Room box. There's even a lot of stuff in here that I might be able to show, might not be. I'm going to do an unboxing. I might have to release this video later, depending on what's in here. But let's take a look. Really excited to show you guys. Okay. Get rid of this thing. I don't know why that's showing. Okay. We'll just leave that on for now. Always packed immaculately. Shout out to the squad there. The biggest thing, not the biggest thing, one of the coolest things I was super excited for, I saw that they had a bunch of new pins. Hoping to get them in this order. They packed this thing. I love it when they have new things. So, more pins. Good. We hooked it up. All right, let's see. I love the stickers. I end up sticking them all over the place. It's one of my ways to use the stickers. Yeah, carrying case. All right. So first off, new sticker. This one's cool. They never made this one a design. This would be a cool design, I think. The hockey one. Panda, like, give me no doubles. This is awesome. From Dunk. That hat sold really well, I think. Oh, I have way too many things open on my computer. What's going on? Whatever. Can't deal with it. Really go doubles. This is awesome. Combustion. Like every Kong sticker. And this one's super rare. All right. That was really cool. Put this away. One of every phone. I don't lose those. Cool. All right, let's get into the pins. The new pins. I have a pin board with one of each, or two of each of the pin. Two of these. Samurai comb. So, this is like the new art. I think Casey's mom did the new art for the. Almost. All right, that's it. So I got two of each of those. That's very cool. Shout out to the team. Open it up. Another sticker. All right, let's start with the ones I can show. So some of these are, yeah, I can pretty much show these. So these are all like pre-orders that landed. So we got Otter Destruction, Candy King on. This was a new clinker, if I remember correctly. Got fleeced. One came out crazy. Well, originally I didn't want to get this one. I think I was being a little too whatever, but protective, I guess, with 40 swords. But when I seen the embroidery, I had to get it. See our gons. And Emperor again. So those are the cool ones. Those are the pre-orders that landed. This one, I've seen everyone get the special UV ones. So this will be shock dropping soon. So they just did the 5-year anniversary ones with the custom 101 art. So keep an eye out when they do a shock drop for the pencil shavings. That is so cool. That is so cool. So keep an eye out for the pencil shavings with the custom art. Leon, elbows up. Casey. It's Canadian Kong. The pencils, man. That is so rad. So shout out to Casey and the squad. What a cool thing to give me. Appreciate you guys always. Great partner to the channel for a number of years. Flew me to San Diego, was treating me right. I'm going to be back there for the opening of the Speakeasy. But man, that's so cool. I'm going to cherish this one forever. Thank you, Casey. Yeah, until next time. We're out of here. Peace.
Brought to you by VFTV.
Now let's turn our attention briefly to a few matters of terminology before we move on. First off, what do we mean when we say someone is a pirate? Well, someone who robs and plunders.